Hello everyone, so we're here from this one in this final of these games here from this one. The title this one is FIDE Women's World Championship. So it means 2025. So these are the location from this Shanghai from China from this one. So it means game 1 and 2, so it means and 3. So it means these are the play games here from this one. So these are includes here from this one. And also today's from this game 4 from this one within long game, so it means 1 hour and 30 minutes here from this chess clocks here from this one. And also have between from this grandmaster, so it means grandmaster from China is Tan Zhongyi, so versus from this grandmaster from this China, the first women world champion is Zhu Wenjun from this one. So it means challenger by GM Tan Zhongyi, so it means these are the first women world championship Zhu Wenjun from this one. So in this today's game 4, in this part of this video, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this game 4. So white plays Tan is c4, English opening, e6 Zhu, so it means Angry Court. And also knight c3, bishop b4, it's called English opening, Angry Court defense from this one. So it means these are the main line here is used by here is knight f6 here by develops here from this one. So it means knight f6 here. So move by bishop b4 by first women world championship from this one. And also queen b3, so it means without threatening by bishop, and bishop backwards a5, and also g3. Also g3 is moved by g2, or maybe bishop g2 here from this one. And also c5, so I can c5 here, and also bishop g2, knight c6, and e3. So it means these are a3 is still novelty by Tan from this one. So the old mainline good novelty is knight f3 here from this one with upcoming by castling. So it means castling here from this one. So novelty is e3 by Tans here, and also knight ge7 with upcoming by castling, or maybe with a castling by first women world championship from this Zhu. And also knight ge2 with upcoming by castling by Tan. So it means with upcoming castling here, and also castling, and also a6. So it means without develops here, or maybe with a move here by movement by b5 here from this one. So it means b5 here. Still the determinations here from this one. And also d4, captured, and also d5. So it means d5 here by develops here, and also captured from this one, captured, and also bishop e3. So it means without defense here, and also bishop takes knight, knight takes bishop. Still control develops here, or without move by targets by pawns, or maybe without target pawns or queen, or maybe without bishop. So it means without triple by here on this one. And also knight a5 with a threat by queen b4, knight ac6. So it means another threatening by queen c5, and b6. So it means b6 by target by still disturbing by here by queen, without disturbing here by queens here from this one. And also queen backwards a3, and also bishop e6, rook ac1, or maybe without pin by knights here, without pins, or maybe without develops here by movement by here, still movement by knight a4, or maybe knight e2. So it means without movement here from these white pieces by Tan. And also knight f5 by world women champion, or maybe with a threatening by here, without threatening by bishop here, or still determinations here from this one. And also bishop f4. So it means these are bishop f4 here is bad move by Tan. So it means bad move by question mark. So the best moves there is knight e2. So it means without threatening by knight, or maybe without captured here from this one. So if you captured by takes by bishop here, by knight takes bishop, and also queen takes e3 here from this one. Or another, if you so it means, so if you capture this knight takes bishop and also rook takes knight. So without determinations here from this one, here by controls, without develops by white and blacks here from this one. So back there is bishop f4, and also knight takes captured, rook fd1 without threatening, or maybe without sacrifice here by knights here. And also knight b5. So it means these are knight b5 without threatening by queens here from this double by knights here. So it means bad move by first women world champion from this one. So the correct move here is queen to f6 here from this one. So it means without controls develops here, or maybe with the strongest move by here by black. So knight b5, and also knight takes capture, good move by Tan, or maybe with a opening with a target by knights, or threatening by knights by rook here from this one. And also pawn takes knight without opening, or still develops with a target by queens with a disturbing by queens here from this one. And also queen b3, or maybe without double, without threatening by pawns, without double by pawns, without pawns pass pawn by pawns here from this one. And also knight e7, queen takes capture, so it means without movement here. And also rook takes a2, so it means free pawns here from this one. And also bishop c7, good move by Tan, or without develops here, without target by pawns, or maybe without targets by queens here from this one. And also queen a8. So queen a8. So it means queen a8 by move by black by GM World. So it means first women championship from this one. And also bishop d6. So it means marked by X move by Tan. So the best moves there is capture this pawn. So it means queen takes b6 here, and this develops here. So it means without develops here, or maybe without defense here from this one. So bishop d6, and also good move is rook a5. So it means without threat by queen. And also queen b4, another good move is rook a4. Another good move by first women world champion from this one. And also queen b3, rook a7 without defense, and also rook c7 without rook to rook. And also rook takes captured, bishop takes rook, queen c6 without threatening by bishop, queen takes captured without queen to queen, and also queen c2 avoided. So it means if you capture these queen to queens here from this one, and also bishop takes queen without develops here, without movement here from this one. So queen c2, or maybe without threatening by rooks here from this one. And also bishop f3, bishop f5, and also bishop f4, or maybe without move by here by rook c1, or threatening by queen without develops here from this one. And also bishop e2, e4, so it means bishop e4, or maybe without bishop to bishop. And also rook c1 with a threat by queen d3, bishop takes capture, queen takes bishop, and also queen e3 without queen to queens here, and accept by first women world champion, queen takes, bishop takes queen, and also f6 without movement by black pieces here. And also rook c7 without threatening by knight, and also knight f5. So So it means without threatening by bishop, so it means another bad move by first women world champion. So the best moves there is knight to g6 without controlling here from this one, without movement here from this one. So back there is knight f5, and also good move is bishop c5, so it is good move by Tan, or maybe without threat by rooks here, without develops here, or maybe without movement by white pieces here. And also rook d8, another good move is king f1 force move by Tan. And also knight d6, pawn b4, so it means without b4, without defense here from this one. And also knight e4, so it means knight e4 without threatening by bishop here. And also bishop b6, rook b8 threatening bishop, and also bishop a5, rook b5, king e2, so it means king e2 here, or maybe the move by move here, or maybe without move. Oh, still movement here by controlling here from this one, so it means without movement here. And also knight d6, and also rook a7, knight c4 threatening bishop, king d3, king d3 here from this one. And also knight e5 check, so it means knight e5 check. So in accept, why don't we knight takes bishop? So still controlling here, and also takes knight, so it means without movement if you check, or maybe here by pawn, without king d4 here from this, without develops here from this one. And on this side is rook a3, without movement here by controls here from this one, so it means without stopping by pawns by movement here. So knight e5 check here, and also king c2, d4, without move by d3, d3 here without movement by d3 here by check. And also king b3, without move, or maybe the move by king a4 by develops here from this one. And also rook d5, bishop b6, d3, oh my god, with a push by d4, upcoming promotes queen. And also rook a1, knight f3, so it means without threat by pawns, or maybe without h2, so it means without develops here, without targets by pawns. And also rook d1, king f7. So in accept, why don't we knight takes captured here from this one? And also decided is one is king c4, so it means without movement here by develops here, or still without targets by rooks and pawns, so without doubles here from this one. So king f7 by first women world champion here by black pieces. And also king c3, why don't we move king c4? So it means king c4 by develops here from this one. So king c3 here, d2, oh my god, still movement by pawns by first women world champion. And also bishop e3 without develops here, or targets by pawns here. So how many clocks here? So it means 25 minutes by white pieces by GM Tan. And also the lowest clock is 1 minute and 57 seconds by first women world champion. So it means without higher time clocks here. And also king e6, bishop takes d2, and knight takes h2. Why don't we try knight takes captured here? So if you move by rook takes knight, or without develops here, if you rook takes captured, king takes rook. If you move here, if you move by king, and decide is king c3, cannot move here, or maybe that cannot move, so it means without, because the king by move here, by starting move here from this one. So knight takes h2, rook e1 check, king d7, bishop e3, knight g4 without threatening by bishop. And also good move bishop c5, knight e5, without movement here, or maybe without move by check by, or maybe with a move movement by knights here, or maybe without move by knight d3. So it means without knight d3 here, and also rook a1. So it means rook a1. Oh, without still battery. So continue is rook a1. So it means rook a1 without move by a7 check. So still doesn't want by move by computer. So it means bad move. So the best moves there is also f3. So it means f3 here from this one. f4. Sorry. So it means f4. So f4 here by best moves here. I'm sorry, I got wrong my moves here from this one. So it means f4 is the best move if you knight c6 here and also king c4. So it means develops here from this one. So rook a1 are bad move by Tans here, and also king e6, f4 with a threatening by knight, knight d7 without threatening by bishop here, and also rook e1 check, king f5 good move, king c4 good move by Tan, and also rook d2, and also rook e7 without here, but without threatening by knights and also pawns. It means another bad move by Tans here by computer. So the best moves there is bishop to d4. So it means bishop to d4 here from this one. So rook e7, knight takes capture, good move by first women world champion, and also pawn takes knight g5. So it means without g5 here, captured, and also rook takes h7, rook c2 check, king d4, rook d2 check, king c4, rook c2 check, and king b5. So it means so doesn't want of this draw here, and also rook c3, c6, rook takes g3, and also c7. Oh, without move, or maybe without promotes by here by queen. Still develops here from this one. And also rook c3, good move by Tan, king b6, king f4. So it means without movement, rook f7 check, and also king e4 and rook g7. Why don't we move here? Is move by king b7. Oh, without movement. So if you check, oh, maybe with a move. So it means if you move by here rook, or maybe without develop, and also king d8. Oh, another. So it means example. So it means so wins for whites here from this one. Oh, it's very easy. It's very easy here, or maybe with a move by promotes here by here. And also if you move by g4, oh, without move promotes queen. Oh, rook takes captured, king takes, oh, without pawn. Oh, still develops here from this one. Oh, if you move here, oh, king f3. Oh, still develops here. Oh, so it means no, cannot move here. King f3. Oh, if you move by king, so it means king f7 check. Oh, king g2. Still movement here by blacks and whites here. So rook g7 here without threatening by pawns, king f4, rook g6, rook takes captured, king takes captured. This king takes captured there, and also g4. Oh my god! So it means upcoming move by pushes by g3 and g2. King d6, g3 pushes, king d7, king f3 good move, king d4. Oh my god, faster! g2, king d3 good move, king f2. Oh my god. Oh my god, still upcoming by promotes queen by first women world champion. Rook f6 check, king e1. Oh, king e1 here. Rook g6, king f2. Oh my god. Upcoming promotes here. Rook takes captured, and also king takes g2. Same to same. Draw by game number 4. So it means the currency is same by tie, 96.3. So both by draw here from this one. So I hope that this part of this video. So I will analyze of these games without, or maybe without Saturday here from this evening here. So it means I'm very stressful by duty here from this one. I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Lawagi17, aka Icon Mike 17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep update of this chess analysis of these games. And bye bye.